Last year, I tried 2 different mixer grinders, but none of them worked up to my expectations. After a few days, either they didn't blend or grind properly. Fortunately, I came to know about Kent's Super Strong Grinder and Blender and decided to buy it because of its powerful 1200 watt motor, 30,000 RPM and 100% copper winded motor. So let's have a look what's inside. So this Kent's Super Strong Grinder and Blender comes with 3 jars for all your grinding and blending needs. A 2-liter BPA-free Wet Blending Jar for blending milkshakes and ice crush cold coffee. 1-liter SS Dry Grinding Jar for grinding raw turmeric and other spices into fine powder. 400 ml SS Chutney Jar for making various kinds of chutneys. And this spatula for easier mixing and scraping sides. All these jars are lockable and have spill-proof lids for total hands-free operations. It has SS304 with 1.5 mm thickness plates. The features of this super strong machine look so promising that I'm sure it is going to make my kitchen life easier and more comfortable. So I recommend you all should get this powerful Kent Super Strong Grinder and Blender.